RCAT stock analysis and RCAT stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do, what I'm buying, what I'm not, and all that good stuff. Well, the first thing that I'm trying to say here is that it's taken me 5 years to come to this point and actually have 40,000 videos made. So I have like literally seen what's making me money and what's not. It was a great freaking break here, and that my call out was actually so on point, because I mean, after I made this video, the price literally broke structure up, and then it went all sorts of ways. Like, to be very honest and frank with you, I'm still looking to double down on this. Well, you know, I've seen the first break taking place. That's not enough. I mean, ideally I want to see a second one, meaning the price does pull down and it shows me a second break. Then and only then I'm still going to look to buy. But randomly buying, man, it's not going to be happening, right? Like, I do have previous receipts in my Discord, but like randomly getting involved, it's no point. So if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description without indicators, you know, and I'll see you in the next one.